Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn on Grayscale on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for accessibility and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the accessibility interface. You'll be able to find various options like screen reader, display, etc. Over here, what you have to do is simply find the option for color and motion and tap on it. Now you'll be led to color and motion interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for color correction. Right now it is off. So what you have to do is tap on the option color correction. Now you'll be led to the color correction interface. You'll be able to adjust how colors display on your phone. You'll be able to find the option for use color correction. Simply toggle this button on. Now you'll be able to find various options like red, green, blue, yellow, etc. Find the option for grayscale and tap on it. Now you can see over here the grayscale has been selected. Now everything will appear gray on your phone. So like this, you'll be able to enable the grayscale. So that is how you turn on grayscale on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.